Welcome back to Battle Cats. Basically, yeah, we left off at Australia. So basically, we beat Japan, and then we just got a bunch of stuff from their spin-offs. And now we basically have a bunch of rolls. So I'm just gonna roll one ticket. Then we'll see what we get. What? No, what? No, what? Hold up! Yo, is my luck? Is it just me or is my luck insane? Yo, no way! I just got an Uber Rare.
I got an Uber Rare.
Yes, I did. I can see that.
I got an Uber Rare. I got an Uber Rare. Low key. I'm gonna use this for Japanese. I'm gonna study Japanese.
Okay. Okay, what do you... Oh my god, bro.
Man, forget Spanish. Japanese is where it's at. You wanna learn Spanish? I don't think so.
I mean, when I was younger. But...
Boy, you already young. You still young.
But, ain't no way No, like when I was younger than this. Anyways, ignore that.
Boy, you barely turned 10.
But you can inflict curse, you can slow enemy, you can zombie kill, you're immune to toxic, you have an area attack, you have an omni strike, and you're a Colossus Slayer. What in the world did I just get, guys? Ain't no way I just got that. Okay, I know. Uber Rare, Mighty Carcel. Mighty Carcel. Okay, I may have to upgrade my wallet, so I'll be able to afford it. Efficiency, yes sir. And accounting, yes sir. Now I'm gonna upgrade my freaking Uber. No. If I see a side of cheese, I'm a trip. You know, I'm feeling so lucky. I'm gonna roll another one. See what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh, it's just a cat on stilts. Stilts cat. Yep. Ooh, you go for a lot of XP. Yo, guys, I'm gonna just send this to the storage. Just tell me if I should exchange it or if I should get it. Anyways, yeah, let's just get into Australia. Yeah. Oh, look how fast our stuff is going by. Yo. Okay, I'm just gonna be saving up. Send out some little meaty boys to hold off the line. No, we just have to send out the meat. We have to send out the meat, no pause. Like, they have a bunch of skins, so basically it's gonna be hard to get through them. Yo, who was the first one to die? It was those guys? Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Usually I have a lot of trouble with those guys. Yes, I know the names of the units. See? From the last episode. Those are doges and snatches. I'm filming this in the same day. I'm literally know what the names are. Ooh, if we upgrade one more time, we may be able to afford our Uber. No, still not enough. But we're gonna beat this level anyways, since we have a bunch of stuff. Just hit the base already, okay? Just hit the base, okay? Oh. I was about to say, dude, look at our cats, bro. You will be remembered. Bro will be remembered. Bro will even remember. Bro Memento. Bro won't even remember who that was. Bro won't even remember who that was. Yeah, I probably won't. Okay. Yo, I want to see what this mighty carousel is. Carousel? But we're gonna beat the stage anyway, so yeah. My goal of this episode is just to see how far we can get. You know what? Should I save my cat tickets? Ooh. I really want to roll on something. You know what? I'm just going to roll. Okay? Okay? I'm just going to roll, okay? I heard that this guy was trash and pretty much nobody uses him, so I guess... XP, baby! I put a new Vargies on the Jeep. I down to the bloody mountains on me. Man, I don't have enough XP. But I do have enough XP to upgrade you to... Okay. I'm just gonna upgrade all my cats to level 10. If I can. Ooh, man. I'm just upgrading stuff for real. I see it's on a jeans, I'm a drip. Don't ask why I'm clapping. I'm just clapping because I really want to. Okay, they're only sending out doges, so I have plenty of time to, you know, get my stuff up. Ooh, my cat can is almost done. Is that all? Is that your defenses? Yo. Oh, Crow's cat, take care of this. Yeah, yeah. One shot. Where you head at? Yeah, I know where his head at. Up in the sky. Oh, bro, they can't even get a hit on him. No, you ain't gonna get a hit on him. Yes, sir. Where is bro's body? Bro's literally just a walking head. I mean, at least a snake has a body, but where's the Doge's head? Kind of creepy, if you ask me. What is bro doing? Bro's literally bro's an absolute defense. They can't even rip through him. Bro got one-shotted. Yo. Okay. You know, I want to see what this mighty carousel is. Hopefully, they don't get past my defenses. Ooh. I'm firing the cat cannon. Get knocked out. Okay, I'm just saving up to get this mighty carousel. Dude, bro is not moving. He is not going anywhere. Anyways, yeah, let's just Okay, we almost have enough to afford him. Okay. Ooh. Yes. It's very slow as you can see. Basic cat is faster than him. But bro has a literal carnival show going on. He's like okay. He may not be able to get because my cats are literally shredding through you guys. But at least we get to, you know, buy him. Well, has a long cooldown too. Dude, these protectors are literally just doing all the work. They doing all the work. Yo. He one-shotted! You know what? You know what? God, you know what? I'm gonna roll once, and hopefully we get something good. Because if we don't get something good, I'm going to be so mad. I heard this guy sucks too. Archer cat. Like, didn't this guy become a meme or something? I don't think he's good, so I'm just gonna exchange him for XPEE. Absolute defense. Okay, I'm just gonna buy the cat god. Oh my god. He's literally these cats, bro. They're too expensive. Yo, 0 XP. 0 XP. Dude, 0 XP. At least I get cash food. 0 XP. You know what? I'm gonna add the pirate. I'm gonna add the pirate to my lineup. Okay, we're at the Maldives, which are shrinking at a rapid rate. Do you believe in God? Yes, I do believe in God. Tap above the button for help. You should activate miracles. I am not using that guy for right now. I'll be using you later.
Huh?
And what I mean by later is never. Yo, hold up. Yo, guys, look at this guy about a one shot. Yeah. Where you hate at? Oh.
You could probably get in your house.
Yo, whatever's coming out that base, I do not want to see. What? Who the heck are you? I'm just getting my pirate. I'm getting everything out. It's a pig, guys. It's a pig. It's a pig. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we already knew that. As an infant. Now, yo, this is easier than before. Usually in the last episode when I was at Japan, I lost. Bro, yo, pirate was doing work. Pirate was doing work on that thing. And has such a consistent attack. He does 100 damage. Why is this game? What is this game, bro? What is this? India. Did you know I have Indian heritage?
I won't let you go. Oh.
Curry. It's curry. Guys, did you know curry's actually good? I recommend try it. And if you don't try it, the Indians will come after you. They'll be like, why did you not try curry? Now we kill you. That's my best Indian accent. I can't get it better. Anyways, let's send out Gross. Let's send out the daddy long legs. Yeah, you thought you were tall? Look at this guy. He's taller than you. And plus you don't even have a giraffe neck anymore. Hold up. Now that I'm looking at it, this guy is so cursed. Like, how is bro even alive? Like, is all his organs super tiny? Or is he like a jellyfish? Because he sure does look like one.
No, yeah.
Yo, I think Jellyfish Cat would have been a better name instead of Gross, because jellyfishes are already gross. If you didn't know that. Did you know people eat octopus? What if people eat jellyfish? Like in that one episode of SpongeBob, or they were eating like jellyfish jelly. And that one guy, he was like singing a song about it. Yo, look who it is! It's our good friend, Mr. Hippo from Japan. How'd you get out of Japan, huh? Oh yeah, I wasted it. I thought I had longer range. Yo, lizard, I want to see what you do. Oh, I guess you didn't get to kill. Yo, hello. Why you keep on coming? Yo,
Ethan, can I believe you?
Huh?
Hey.
What do you want me to do with this?
Do you want them or you want to throw them away?
I guess I'll keep them because, I'm not sure who this is. Information about COVID-19. It's like 2020.
Oh, I
My
won't
pet.
let you go. Oh, bruh.
That was my mom, bro. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Back to the superior curry. Yeah.
See, you don't even keep your birthday card. I do.
Okay. You know what? We're going to Nepal. Yo, what if the base is Mount Everest? Hopefully the base is Mount Everest. Yo, I was correct! The base is Mount Everest. So I'm gonna send out Macho. If you wanna be a macho man, I mean macho cat.
Shut up, the killer. Stop saying that, bro. You're so stupid.
They do not care. Oh my god. Yo, I have the best counter for you. Your worst nightmare's coming, pig. Don't you remember the pirate? Mr. Pirate Cat. I can think of a better name for it. Indiana Jones. I mean Indiana Cat. I mean, is that name already taken? Hold on. Single attack? Boy, if you don't. Yeah, at least he has a consistent attack. Yo, bro just got knocked back. Okay, this is sending out 2 pigs. Sending out 2 pigs on me. Sending out 2 pigs on me. Nah, pirate don't care. Okay. I'm just sending out pirates, honestly. They're the best counter. Goodbye, piggy. It's like a 30% chance that bro gets knocked back. Okay. Bam, just knock on the base, okay? Just knock on the door, okay? Oh, so you're the one that got the base down to 2 health. There's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Nepal cleared. Well, since... Can you stop interrupting me, okay? I just want to, you know, get a June bride cat. Bro, it's not even June anymore. It's like July. Gunslinger? He's a gunslinger. Midwest cat. Cat gunslinger. You'll be a great addition to our team, Cat Gunslinger. I am so happy with the cats I'm getting. Sure, I did exchange some for XP because I heard they suck. Like the Bodhisattva and the. Why am I just thinking of Shrek whenever I say Bodhisattva? And like.
Turn on his radio.
It's the archer thing. I heard there was another one. It was like a thief or something. Okay. Okay, Dubai. We at Dubai. We're the Dubai. What even is at Dubai? Honestly, I know those tallest skyscrapers there, or just the tallest building in general is there. Isn't it called? I don't even know what it's called. I don't even remember. Okay. I feel like something bad is gonna happen when we hit that base. Don't. I swear, maybe just me, or is it a pig gonna come out or something? Like, because pig was at the beach before. Okay, whenever there's a beach level, it means bad luck. Okay, it's a freaking penguin. Okay, we have a penguin. Yeah, you know how I know the enemies' names? I'm pretty sure that guy's name is Jackie Peg. Okay, he just got knocked back. Ooh, the lizard guy be doing work. Oh, yo. Bro is dead. Oh, lizard, bro. It's the lizard. It's the lizard. It's a lizard. It's a lizard that be doing all of it. And you have the audacity to send out another penguin against us after your brother just got annihilated. Okay. 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 Okay, we at Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. So you're just gonna send out that guy immediately? So if this guy is good against the pig and the hippo is weaker than the pig, then he should have no problem dealing with him, right? Right? I swear, watch it not work because he's not like orange. Yeah, it's not working. Oh! No, 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 no. Did I say it wasn't working? It was totally working. POV, a clown laugh. Point of view, a clown laugh. I'm sending out pirates, bro. I'm not even using the carousel. Or carousel. Ah, no, thank you. Thank you.